Okay, to use QuickTime to record your Google Slides presentation, first open your presentation, and then you're going to open QuickTime by going to Spotlight and typing in QuickTime. And I was able to go to the end by clicking the right arrow button. And then I'll click Enter, and it will open QuickTime. And I'm using QuickTime to record this now, but as you can see, it says New Screen Recording right here in gray, and you will click that to start your recording. You can either record your whole screen as I'm doing now, or you'll be able to crop it. One other thing you can do is you can present, and then it'll show the whole screen. I'm not sure why Google shows the part at the bottom, but it goes away after a little bit. And then to stop the recording, you press the stop button right up